working with her is Nick. Everyone say hi to Nick.
Hi, Nick.
And then does anyone know this little one's name? Go ahead and shout it out. Maylee, that's right. So say hi, Maylee.
Hi, Maylee.
She's working with Daniel today.
Hi, Daniel.
So we're just going to show you a little bit how we work with our girls on a daily basis. We work with our elephants in what's called restricted contact environments. That means we never share the same space with them. There's always some sort of barrier between us and them. So we have to get kind of creative with the ways that we work with them so they participate and we can still take a really good job taking care of them. So you can see Daniel and Nick both have a target stick. That's just a pool buoy on the end of a pole, and we use that for reference for the elephants. The first thing that they learn is to touch that with body parts, and they'll get a treat for it. So
It's cool.
So we use that to help them get into the right positions and present their feet and do different things like that. And then you may hear a click. That's the other tool that we use. Our elephants are clicker trained, just like you can clicker train your dogs. And when they do the behavior correctly, we give them a click, and then we'll pair that with a piece of food. And that lets them know that if maybe there's a really yard we can't get food to them, that they're still doing the behavior correctly. And after they're showing you her feet, we check our elephant feet daily. It's very important. They're heavy animals. Asha, their weight is over 7,000 pounds. So we want to make sure that their feet are in good condition. They actually get manicures and pedicures, but once a month we trim up their fingernails and the pads of their feet, make sure that they're nice and healthy. And we do their front feet and their rear feet as she's showing you. We also do some medical behaviors with them. We draw blood voluntarily from our elephants, and that we do that from the back side of their ears. That's where their thinnest skin is. So we will heat up that ear, get the blood flowing, and we can stick them. They are, like I mentioned, they're voluntary. Anything we do, if they didn't want to, they could go in the back of the yard there and eat grass. They don't have to participate. So we want to make sure that we make it a real positive experience for them, that they want to come back and they want to participate. And as you can see, they are very willing. They like to eat. And the reason we draw blood from their ears is that's how they cool themselves. They don't sweat like you and I do. They flap their ears and that cools their blood supply down for their whole body. So that's where it's real easy. Their veins, their ears get nice and big so we can supply blood from them. Asha's showing you how she flaps there. Another medical behavior that we do is a trunk wash. We do this once a week. We put a saline solution into their trunk. Amelia's going to demonstrate this for you. And they fill that into a bag on command. And that is essentially just a big snot sample, which Daniel did not show you. But it gets nice and dirty, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a nice dirty sample, and our vet techs will spin that down for the skin cells that are in that, and we can use that for research. We donate to a couple different universities that help research on different aspects of elephant diseases and things like that. So that's really good information in that bag of snot. So with all this training, our elephants get a lot of treats, and that goes into that big money. And you may have noticed that our elephants here don't have big tusks. These are female Asian elephants. And they don't get the big tusks that you normally think of with elephants. But if you guys head over on our boardwalk and see Rex, our big male, he's got the nice big white ivory tusks. In the Asian species, only the males get the big ones. The females just get those little ones. You might be able to see them on Asha there a little bit. And Bailey's actually just starting to get hers in too, so she's got nice little tusks growing in there. They also only have 4 teeth, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, and they're about the size of a brick each. And does anybody know what is a feature of elephants that no other animal has? Shout it out if you know it. What does an elephant have that nobody else has? A trunk, that's right. They use these trunks for many different things. Asha's going to demonstrate to you how strong these trunks are. They use them for picking up anything as small as like a grape or a raisin, a blade of grass. They can pick up anything as big as a wall.
There we go. All right.
Those tricks are very important for them. They use them just as much as we use our hands. They pick up any type of food. They dust themselves with mud and dirt. They communicate with each other. They smell. All those good things. And unfortunately, elephants are not doing so well in the wild. These guys are critically endangered. There's only about 30,000 left, which is not, sounds like a good alright number, but that's not really too good. Their number one predator is humans. There's a lot of human-elephant conflict. And one way you guys can help elephants in the wild is by a program we have here at the zoo called Roundup for Conservation. If you go to a gift shop or one of the food stands, if you round up your dollar amount, the next nearest dollar, that little bit of change goes right into a fund that we donate completely to conservation. We donate to a couple different programs here at the zoo. And if you're interested in learning more about which programs we help out, you can go on our website, okczoo.com. On the conservation page, you can see which ones we donate to. But that little bit of change doesn't seem like much, but we've raised over $25,000 so far from just you guys giving a couple pennies. So that's a really good year. Thank you guys for helping us out with that.
Yeah.
Asha, do you think everybody here should round up for conservation? Well, I'm gonna get off the mic here and we're gonna turn up the music. We like to keep our elephants fit and trim. Who here likes to exercise? Yeah? Our elephants like to exercise. So we're gonna show you our different exercise activities to help keep them nice and trim.
This would be cute.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm getting all right. Yeah.
That's our elephant equivalent of full body workouts. So give these girls one more big